Hi there, today we're going to look at enlargements. So really straightforward kind of activity to kind of go through. So really it's where a shape changes in size, right? So when we're talking about enlargements, I think the concept really is to think about the fact that it is an enlarged, i.e. got bigger, but of course technically that's not exactly true because an enlargement is just an idea of changing a shape. So what I mean by that is if it does enlarge, then we talk about having a scale factor, and the scale factor determines whether or not it has bigger or smaller, okay? So this is what this line is talking about. So if the scale factor is more than 1, then your shape is going to be bigger. If your scale factor is less than 1, then it's going to be smaller. All right, so let's have a look at an example. So you've got something here which is 2 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and then it enlarges to 4 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So what we're looking for is what is the scale factor. So what I'm looking at is these two numbers here, okay, and it should be the same kind of aspects here. So we're looking at what is it being multiplied by. So considering the 2 by 4, so the easiest way of doing this one, you can see hopefully it's doubled, but a way of making sure you get this right is you do this number divided by this number, and that's going to give you the 2. And let's just check that's the same for this one. So that divided by that is going to be 2 as well. So the scale factor for this one would be 2, okay. So looking at a different example, we've got a triangle here which is 2 and 4 in terms of horizontal and perpendicular, and it's gone from 6 to 12. So again, think about where it's gone from and to. So take what it's gone to divided by what it's gone from. All right, so 12 divided by 4 is going to give you 3, and of course 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. So this has a scale factor of 3. Okay, so I mentioned at the beginning about fractional scale factors, so something less than 1. Well, here we've got 10 and 5, and it goes to a smaller one. So this is still classed as an enlargement, but of course it's got smaller. So that means your scale factor must be a fraction. All right. So look at basically this one divided by this one. Same kind of process as before. So 2 divided by 10. And also I can consider the same as this one, which is going to be 1 divided by 5, which of course I can leave as a fraction, which is 1/5. So this one has a scale factor of 1/5. So don't think necessarily an enlargement means it's got bigger. It means it's changed shape. Yes, by a scale factor. If it's got bigger, a scale factor is bigger than 1. If it's got smaller, then your scale factor is going to be a fraction. And it's always going to be a case of what it's gone to divided by what it's gone from, and that's going to give you your scale factor. All right, so get yourself to maths-school.co.uk, and of course there's some practice questions on there to have a look at. Thanks for listening.